Hello and welcome. Today I would like to show you how to install BaseQL into Airtable and create a GraphQL endpoint. Let's open up a simple database with a couple different tables here, and you can get started by clicking in the right hand corner, clicking on Apps, and Install Apps. After you click Install Apps, search for BaseQL and go ahead and click Install. It'll ask you a couple different prompts, accept them, and now you've got BaseQL installed. Next, you need to provide the API key. You can do this by going to the account page, clicking on your personal Airtable API, copying it, pasting it into the API key field here, testing 1, 2, 3, and then click launch. And now BaseQL is installed and you have a GraphQL endpoint ready to be used. Let's create a simple query. Search by name. In this case, we'll search for Ben. And you can see here autocomplete is available. Next, let's create let's search for a relationship like this. Very quickly, you've got this up and running, and then at the very top, you've got the URL for the endpoint, which you can integrate with your front-end applications or other no-code tools. Thanks for stopping by. Let us know if you have any questions. Have a great day.